Hey, look yonder coming down that railroad track. Hey, look yonder coming down that railroad track. It's that orange blossom space.
What's happening? What's happening? Hey guys, good morning. I don't usually do driving videos, but I figured I would today. As you can see, we got a big, terrible snowstorm. Our first one in Virginia for the year. Well, near my area at least. We got about 4 or 5 inches, I reckon, and I'm sure barely anyone will be out on the roads, except for the idiots like me that still want to go out and make a buck. So, hope everyone is good, and hope everyone has a good week. See y'all later. Bye. Alright, case in point, the roads are clear. You got a jackass in the ditch. But anyways, I figured I'd give you a weather forecast here. So last night, of course, as you see, we got like 4 or 5 inches of snow. Today it's going to be 48, and by Thursday we're going to be back to 70. Virginia weather is something else. One day it'll be 5 degrees, the next day it'll be high 80s. The roads ain't too bad. I'm in my work truck and I don't have 4x4 in this one, but it's fine. You got a couple, I passed a couple idiots here this morning wanting to drive a little bit too fast, and pretty good so far. Basically all I'll ever do is just wipe the windshield off good enough so I can see up. There's idiot number 3 of the day in the ditch. Anyway guys, like I said, hope y'all have a good week, and I'm getting off here. Bye.